Would you like to trade for this? Going once, going twice, going three
Me.
times. What do you want to give me?
Just this.
No. I need more.
How about this?
More.
Plus a poppet.
Deal. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Now I have all these things. Would you like to trade for the ball? Going once, going twice, 3 times.
Me.
What do you want? What do you want to give me?
Just, can I just take it?
No.
Okay, how about, not that one. It's so unprepared. How about this water timer? 2 monkey noodles, some slime, this, more slime, fidget.
That's good, that's good. I accept.
Front ball.
I accept.
This.
I accept.
Plus, this slime, and more.
I accept.
Okay, take all of it.
Nah, you can keep this. These